Good morning, students. As you know, we are starting chapter 1, page 1.72, question number 2. This chapter is NPO, not for profit organization. Question number 2 and page, this is 1.72. Yes, in this question we have to prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Receipts and payments are given already. See in the question in the book. In the receipt sides, cash balance 7,200, life membership fee 50,000 and so on. Also in the payment side, see rent, this is 48,000, furniture purchased 50,000 and so on. We have to prepare income and expenditure account. After receipt and payment, second account, that is income and expenditure account. See how to make income and expenditure account. These are the columns. This is debit side and this one is credit side. In debit side, we have to put expenditures, amount. In credit side, we have to put income here. Now see in the question. In this income and expenditure account, only those transactions related to this current year, this given year, that year in this question is from 1st April 2018 to 31st March 2019. इस क्वेश्चन में हमारा year जो year है that is 1st April 2018 to 31st March 2019. इस सेशन में इस ईयर के बीच में जो भी इनकम एक्सपेंडिचर्स होंगे that will come in income expenditure account in this. So related to transactions only to this year only. जैसा कि हमने last we are seen in the receipt and payment account, all receipts will be taken, हमने ली थी सारी वहाँ पर, and also we had take all payments. But now in this income and expenditure account, only the transactions related to this current session are to be recorded. Now see first, it is given the payment side, that is rent 48,000. This is rent of current year, so put here rent 48,000 in expenditure. ये हमारा expenses है एक rent, this is 48,000. Next, furniture purchase, this is assets purchase, so it will be come in बैलेंस शीट ओनली. हमें यहाँ पर सिर्फ इनकम और एक्सपेंडिचर्स रिकॉर्ड करने हैं, नॉट एसेट्स एंड लाइबिलिटीज. सो परचेज फर्नीचर इज एसेट्स, इट विल कम इन बैलेंस शीट. सैलरी में हमने खर्च किया 2,40,000, दिस इज अ एक्सपेंडिचर, सो पुट इट इन द एक्सपेंडिचर कॉलम टू सैलरी रुपीज़ 2,40,000. In the same way, then insurance premium 12,600. Insurance premium 12,600. Then telephone charges. This is given in payment side 18,200. Telephone charges. Then next, printing expenses 4,100. जो प्रिंटिंग में हमने खर्च किया दैट इज 4,100. टू प्रिंटिंग 4,100. देन come on the income side, all the incomes related to this current session 1st April 2018 to 31st March 2019 will come in this income side. See in the receipt side it is given life membership, this is 50,000, but it will come कहाँ आएगा ये हमारा बैलेंस शीट में आएगा. Now see cash balance 72, it will not come, it is not a income. Lockers rent, जो हमें lockers अवेलेबल किए थे अपने members को, वहाँ से हमें rent अवेलेबल हुआ, हमें rent receive हुआ, that is 22,000. So by lockers rent 22,000. Now come to next, this is entrance fee. Entrance fee है 5700. By entrance fee 5700. Then subscription are given 3,71,800 received. But in this subscriptions related to 2017-18 जो हमारा पास ईयर है उसके जो हमारे एरियर्स रुके हुए थे वो 14,200 हमें रिसीव हुए नाउ. बट दिस इज नॉट अ इनकम ऑफ दिस करंट ईयर, सो इट विल नॉट बी काउंटेड इन दिस इनकम साइड. इन द सेम वे 2019-20 का हमें 11,600 रुपीज़ रिसीव हो गए एडवांस में, ये भी इस साल की इनकम नहीं है, सो इट विल नॉट बी कम इन दिस साइड. टेक all the subscriptions related to this current year 2018-19 only. By subscription 2018-19 3,46,000, it is given in receipt side of the receipt and payment account. Next, donation for swimming pool, this is 2 lakh, but this is a donation for particular purpose. If there is any donation for particular purpose, this is specific, so it is liability income in balance sheet. Now take next, interest received, that is 15,000. By interest we received as a interest 15,000. In the same way, next we received miscellaneous incomes 700 rupees. By miscellaneous income 700. Then income from advertisement, income from advertisement, this is rupees 12,000. In this way, all incomes related to this current year and all expenditures related to this current year will come here, and after this we have to make the total of both the sides. The total of this income side, this is amounted to rupees 4,01,400. Total of this income side 4,01,400, and subtract all these values from this 4,01,400, then we'll get the balance in between. This is 78,500. 78,500 हमारे पास एक्सेस अमाउंट रिसीव हुई. ये हमारी सारी इनकम्स थी इस करंट ईयर की, एंड दीज आर द एक्सपेंडिचर्स. After subtracting all these expenditures from the total of the income, we will get the balance 78,500. This is surplus amount. प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में हम इसको प्रॉफिट बोलते हैं, बट इन द इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट दिस इज ओनली अ सरप्लस ऑफ इनकम ओवर एक्सपेंडिचर. टू सरप्लस ऑफ इनकम ओवर एक्सपेंडिचर. इन दिस वे दिस अकाउंट विल बी कंप्लीटेड. ये अकाउंट पूरा हो जाएगा इस तरीके से. नाउ लिसन, subscriptions related to current year are written in this income expenditure account. Note these points. Next, life membership is a liability, so it comes in balance sheet. In the same way, donations are the specific purpose. If donations are of specific purpose, then it come in balance sheet of the asset side, liability side of the balance sheet. Now all the assets like furniture, investment purchase, furniture purchase, they will come in the asset side of the balance sheet. So see next question number 5, page 1.73. Question number 5, page 1.73. In this, show how to deal with the following items while preparing financial statement of NPO. These are some transactions given and how to deal with these items with in NPO's system. Tournament fund, contribution received from tournament expenses, interest received on tournament fund investments, receipts from tournament tickets. ये सभी आइटम्स को हम कैसे डील करेंगे, कहाँ पुट करेंगे, ये हमें अभी सीखना है. all these transactions come in क्योंकि tournament fund, this is a particular specific fund, so it will come in the liability side of the balance sheet. But how we will deal all these transactions and adjustments of this tournament? So see here, this is a balance sheet first. As on the date is not given, so put as on this. Make liability sides, asset sides of both sides of this balance sheet. Put here liabilities, amount, assets, needs amount. Tournament fund is a liability. This is of rupees 2 lakh. Put here टूर्नामेंट फंड जो लाइबिलिटी है, इसके साथ जो इसके एडजस्टमेंट्स है वो हमें एडजस्ट करके फाइनल अमाउंट लेनी है. दैट विल कम इन बैलेंस शीट इन लाइबिलिटी साइड. येस, वी हैव टूर्नामेंट फंड रुपीज़ 2 लाख ऑलरेडी एंड कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन रिसीव्ड ऑन टूर्नामेंट 40,000, इतना हमें और रिसीव हुआ. एड दिस अमाउंट, कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन रिसीव्ड रुपीज़ 40,000. Then also add interest on tournament fund. There is a tournament fund we have and we got how much? Yes, 12,000. We got interest on tournament fund. हमें मिला इंटरेस्ट सारा. इंटरेस्ट on tournament fund. This is rupees 12,000. Then after we got received from tournament tickets. Yes, after selling the tournament tickets we got amount 20,000. हमें 20,000 में मिला टूर्नामेंट्स की टिकट्स बेचकर. तो ये अमाउंट हमें रिसीव हुआ, ये भी एक इनकम है. सो एड दिस received by tournament tickets. This is amounted to rupees 20,000. Add all these amounts, we'll get 2,72,000. And there is a expense, tournament expenses of rupees 80,000. एक टूर्नामेंट एक्सपेंसेस भी हमारे पास है जो हमें इस साल खर्च किया, वो है 80,000 रुपीज़. वो हमें इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. लेस टूर्नामेंट एक्सपेंसेस 80,000. आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग दिस विल गेट अमाउंट 1,92,000. ये 1,92,000 is the final amount of tournament fund which will come in balance sheet in liability side. In this way, these items will be dealt in the balance sheet in liability side.